What's a data lakehouse? It's a data architecture that combines the best aspects of data lakes and data warehouses, and it brings them together into one platform. Now, why couldn't we just deal with data lakes? Because today we have more complex and more evolving data analytics, machine learning, and data science requirements than we ever had. First, we started with data warehouses, but their inability to handle all types of data and the fact that they get very slow and expensive, as they scale, they made the push towards data lakes. Now, data lakes, they are fast, right? And you can put anything there, but they bring huge issues with data reliability, and specifically because you can't find anything after a certain point. And again, they become slow as well. Also, data lakes don't have the transactional support because you need that, as they scale. And also, data privacy was harder and harder. Now, with these two concepts at hand, businesses made a whole mess. First with data warehouses, then creating data lakes, and then creating a whole mess by using both. Because this way things got fragmented, you got duplicate data all around, and poorly managed costs, as you can imagine, right? Because you had no clear governance. And as you can imagine, if you wanted data insights, you had to rely on poorly curated data sets without understanding anything, because you don't really understand all of the data that you have available. And I still see this with many companies, because maybe they're getting, like 20 or 30% of what they could be getting if they had proper lineage and data governance in place. This is why the Lakehouse architecture is so important, because it comes with the promise that it solves all of this mess. And to be honest, it does, right? But not without its own challenges. Data lakehouses are built on top of the principles of data lake, from a storage perspective, but also they're supercharged with the analytical power of a data warehouse. They store all types of data and they can be a single source of truth. And this simplifies governance, and as I was saying earlier, they're designed with BI in mind and most recently with AI in mind as well. What's the magic behind lakehouses? They support diverse data types and workloads. And the main selling point is that the storage and the compute are decoupled, so they can adapt a lot easier to your specific needs. Also, they use open storage formats, so except for the usual suspects that aren't optimized, such as CSV and JSON, a data lakehouse uses formats like Parquet, which is the most used one, and also other ones like Iceberg or Avro. And this helps with fast and easy access, and because of this, real-time insights are actually possible. Now, in essence, lakehouses are just evolved forms of data warehouses because they just offer the speed and flexibility without actually compromising on the structured benefits. That's it from me, guys. I really hope that this helped to get a better sense of what the Lakehouse architecture is. I'll see you in the next one.